Damn, copyright.
Oh shit.
Do I go up?
Upper level says 17.
Yeah, we'll go up there. Damn, we head into the Red Blacks game, but you gotta park like at another parking lot and walk there. It's crazy busy. It's probably cheaper on the road though. I'm just doing this for the video, to be honest. Otherwise, I would park on the road.
It's not too bad.
No.
It's $1.30 for 30 minutes.
Guess I could just park like in one of these spots.
Oh, there's one right back there with no one, right? Oh no, the Mercedes is
I'll
there.
park in this right here. I think I'm good now. You guys a little rev. I always sound so good in like the parking lots and stuff. Damn, there's people coming though. I won't rev it again. I'll just show you guys a little walk around of the car. But it's not even the cleanest. Still haven't washed it. In parking lots and places like this, it always looks extra clean, and it's really not. But what do you guys think of the car? You know, the funny thing, the only YouTuber I watch is Finding Nick. He had a F80 M3. Right now he has a G80 because he crashed the F80. But his F80 was my favorite car, and that's kind of why I got this car, especially in this color, because I wanted to have something similar to his F80 that he had. So I'll show you guys a little picture of his car and then show a picture of mine beside it. I know it's not similar because I don't have an M, but I feel like I did a good job. Let me know in the comments if you guys agree. But I'm finna head over to the game. I'm not even sure if I pay here or what, because I didn't get a ticket or nothing. But yeah, I'm gonna head over there because the game starts in about an hour. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get there early. But oh damn, that's a dog. I thought it was a car or something. But yeah, I'll show you guys some clips. I should see some sick cars too, because in this spot that the game is, it's Lansdowne if you guys are from Ottawa. But there's always some sick cars, especially today. I can bet there's gonna be some nice cars there. So I have my camera, so I'll record everything for you guys. So this thing is actually lit. I've never been in a stadium, nor to a football game. Wish I could put my car there. I have no clue what's going on. Imagine living there. There's people legit just watching from their balcony. Nice. Yeah, the game just ended. Just grabbed some food and heading back home. It's almost 12, but just gonna give you guys another nighttime POV. And there's a cop over there.
Oh, there's gonna be a lot of them.
Yeah, I bet. I don't even want to make it pop. But yeah, you guys like the new mic. But yeah, you can hear the car way better with it. And I think my voice was a bit off in the last one, just because my girlfriend was holding the camera and it was over there. Plus the window was down way too much, so I think this one should be better. less wind and stuff like that. But the car sounds way better though with the new mic, and I think my voice sounds more clear too. So after this one, I'll see. I'm just trying to get everything perfect, make sure you guys can hear it as best as possible. It's this late, there's still traffic. It's because there is a game though.
You're not going on the highway this way. Take Island Park.
I don't know if it's Island Park we're gonna take. I don't really remember the potholes in this road though. That's the only thing. Shouldn't be too much. Yeah, it's gonna take us on the weird bridge. And that road is actually bad. Like that bridge, I know that for a fact. Yeah, to go to that bridge, the road is awful.
Even on the bridge it is.
Yeah, that's like right down there, so. What kind of car is that? Oh, it's just a Subaru. Yeah, my goal for July, right now I'm at almost 6.5k subs. I'm definitely gonna get to 7k by the end of July. But my goal is to see how much I can actually get. Maybe 10k. I don't know if it's possible, but I'll definitely try. Yeah, I don't know if GoPro has a flash, so correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think so. That's why I have this light on, because the last POV this wasn't on. I think it was a bit too dark. I wish I was going there underneath that tunnel. Nah, I'm already scraping. Yeah, this road is way too bad. When I say this road is bad, I have driven on it like 3 times, and every time I could have sworn I was going to break my lip. I have to be going mad slow. Oh, it's making me go around.
Yeah.
So maybe it won't be that bad. Shouldn't be. I don't know though. Just that intake. I think this road that it made me take is not as bad as the other one, but still not the best. I like this little bridge. Yeah, I like that.
Oh, it's the roundabout way.
That's not too bad. There might be cops though, because they're always camping out at night. I swear, rear-wheel drive is the most fun thing. I don't know if I could go to like a X-Drive car. If I do like a M340i, the X-Drive on that, you can actually put it in rear-wheel drive when you want. But like a permanent X-Drive car, I don't think I could do that. They're faster, but not as fun to me. You guys are at the Red Blacks game tonight at Lansdowne, just drop a comment to let me know. Damn, because a lot of people actually watch me from Ottawa. Plus it's a long weekend, so I feel like there might have been some of you guys there. And what was the other team they played again? Hamilton. Red Blacks against Hamilton. It was a good game. The Red Blacks actually won. It's my first time even watching them though. It's midnight and I'm out here going on with my pops. GTS turbo intake, by the way. In my opinion, it's the best sounding intake.